Good morning, children. How are you? Children, today we will do work in integrated activity book. So, all of you take out integrated activity book and open page number 11. Page number 11. Children, first of all, you will write down the date here on the right corner. Now we will read the instructions. Choose the correct letters from the help box and write them with appropriate pictures. Children, there are pictures on this page and one help box is given here. Few letters are written inside the help box. We will see the picture and we will write the letters, uppercase letter and lowercase letters, capital letter and small letter, both letters in these lines. First one is done for you. This is a picture of a sun, so letter S is already written here. Now we will see the next picture. This is a picture of a lion, king of jungle. So we will see the help box and we will write the appropriate letter here. This is a help box and find out letter L. This is letter L. So let's write here. First we will write uppercase L and then we will write lowercase l. L, lion. Now see the next picture. This is a picture of a tree. See the help box and find out letter T. Yes, you are right. This is letter T. So let's write here in between the lines. First write down uppercase T and then write down lowercase t. Children, write neatly. Well done. Now see the next picture. This is a picture of an envelope. So we will write letter E here. First write down uppercase E and then write down lowercase e in between the blue lines. Children, as you know that the letters which we write in between the blue lines are called chicken letters, and the letters which touch this red line, they are called giraffe letters. So while writing you will keep this in mind and you will not come out of these two blue lines. Now see the next picture. This is a picture of an umbrella. Umbrella. Find out letter U. Yes, this is letter U. So write down here letter U. This is a chicken letter right in between the blue lines. Letter U. Now see the next picture. This is a picture of a queen. Queen. This is letter Q. So let's write here in between the lines. First write down uppercase letter, then write down lowercase letter, and the letters which touch this red line, they are called monkey letters. So Q is a monkey letter. So you have to touch this red line. Now see the next picture. This is a picture of a nest. Nest. This is letter N. So we will write letter N here. Nest. This is uppercase N. This is lowercase n. And write in between the blue lines. Now see the next picture. This is a picture of a van. Van. So write down V here. Uppercase V and lowercase v. Capital V, small v. Now see this picture. This is a picture of a zebra. Zebra. So write down here letter Z. Now see this picture. This is a picture of egg yolk. Y, y, yolk. So write down letter Y here. Like this. And this is a monkey letter. So you will touch this red line. So children, now we have completed this page and you will do this page at home. Page number 11. Bye bye children. Have a nice day.